Alright, so Tim inside of the tag spot right here, registering the car real fast. He already put the insurance on there. Yeah, my man been excited this whole day. Shit ain't been going his way though, but played in his favor. He able to get the car registered and stuff like that. So we about to get his reaction when he walking out that joint with the title or something. Hold up. I don't even know where the joint at, but look at the bands.
What's up, guys? It's Chinito Tim here, and y'all see from the title of the video. Yes, sir. On our way to go see the car. Well, not see the car, to go register and license plate up the car. And we got Johnny right here. Hold on, wait, I don't even think they seen this yet. I don't think y'all seen the bands yet. Yes, sir. My boy in the S class right here. Just came to see my folks. Y'all need any tag work done, come right here. You in Philly? We about to head back up there right now. Back to the car. And then, you know, I just got my plates and everything registered. Everything straight away, so.
Everything already done?
Everything already done.
We out there?
Yeah.
With a plate? Oh.
Right? Yes, sir.
And the boss that come back, I'm like.
Nah, I forgot my license. But yeah, so we about to be on our way back right now to the car. It's a new car for me. It ain't a new car, but it's a new car for me, registered in my name. So I guess you can say, you know, new car. But, you know, it's gonna be a good car. You know, we spoke about it before on the channel, so I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna get straight into it, and yeah, man, we're in the trenches with it. So see y'all once we get over there, and I'll check in with y'all.
Get it on, I'm with you right or wrong, that's what it is. You a father, say your car, that's melatonin, ain't no trick. Got my track all bulletproof and it's supercharged, that's call him on that block, you try to run away. I'm trying to run me on some ends so we could be okay.
It's down release, say you heard? Young Zay.
I ain't gonna lie, when mom died, that was the worst day. I probably judge to deal with it, but that's the worst way. Count blue hundreds, trying to stay away from fake ones. No number on that cake up. We the dirty youngest from the trenches, trying to spray some. Walk down the lay some, walk down the face some. I ain't trying to make no new friends. Nowadays everybody pretend. If you my brother, then we going all in. It was bad blood, I left him in the wind.
What's up,
Yeah, man.
Yeah? You about to leave?
Shit about to be lit.
You leaving?
Content about to be lit.
Call me when you come back.
Can't wait, man.
Love you.
It's gonna be a good job. I mean, we gonna polish her up, make her look all nice, hey, with the little touches, you know how we do on the channel. So, but yeah, talking too much. Let's get straight into it. I'll see you once we get over there.
Hey, LA, here we come. We ain't that far.
We out here on 5th and Melrose right now. That's all the palm trees back there. Alright guys, so just got here, you know, pulled it out and stuff, took it around the block. Yeah, man, I'm glad I made the choice to go ahead and get this car legit, get everything situated, because this thing is nice, man. But you know, like I said, it's new to me, newly registered in my name, you know, everything. So here with my new car. Yes, sir. Needs a good detail, crazy detail, honestly, because I don't know the last time this car got washed and stuff. But there's a car right here. Inside is a mess. Have to clean it up. See the headliner. Gotta connect the sunroof. You know, it's minor things that needs to be fixed with this. It needs some new wheels. We're gonna polish them bad boys up. Need a new paint job. Need some new tint. Well, y'all let me know. Let me know what you think I should do. You think I should tint it, or we should leave a clean no tint look, or I don't know. I already have the smoked out headlights, which I don't know if I'm keeping. Let me know what y'all think. Should we keep the smoked out headlights, or should we put the all clears or the ambers OEM looking? So I don't know. I feel like it's a Mustang thing to have them smoke headlights. We got the welds on here. These are crazy polish. Look, the sidewall got cracking in it. How you know the tires is shot. Not just in the threads, the sidewall. We had the skinnies up front. We had the matching set. Yep. Look at it. I love the GT body style. Mind you, I'm not a Mustang guy, but the GT body style, I feel like it's just so timeless. Love the hood scoop. Love the front bumper. Love the wing also. Just give me that retro look, man. I just love it. Old school look. Mugen Mart. Trying to find the jumper cables. Oh, we found the jumper cables. Shit, these don't look like they came with the Mustang. These joints funny as shit.
Think about that too. Yeah, I think John can give you some newer Jones before.
Me? I still got them?
For the CRV.
I mean, I might still have them because I got like 2 in my crib, so one might be his.
It was nice. They was like some nice Jones. Like they was wrapped up in everything.
In a bag?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is he a thief?
They have a thief. That's why I got returned some of these. So they said you don't deserve some new ones.
He was in that John. That John was dirty, bro.
It's alright for 1991. It's alright. We even got.
I'm in the back floor.
We don't even got the correct plates on this John. I still ain't even swap it out yet. We got it right here.
Plate right here.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah. I'll blur that motherfucker out. That man straight split that joint.
Yo, it was fucking crazy. Oh no. Like I said, this joint been sitting for a little while. I'll be sick, I try to hit the brakes.
This nigga drive his jaw like he stole it. He said it's the back of the thing. Look at Zell, these niggas scary. I'm gonna hold you though. I'd have banged that shit the fuck out the way you just fucked that.
Yo, the way, yeah, you was
when you
just
turned the corner.
Cause to me, bro, don't need that Tokyo. That shit felt like I was getting Fast and the Furious, bro.
Hey yo, I'm cracking the fuck up. Why everybody in the hood I pull up, they talking about, oh, this joint from Back to the Future. They funny as shit. You know, all the young boys. A lot of young boys, they don't know what this is. This for the older folks. You know, it's back in y'all time. Everybody our generation and younger, shit, yeah, probably our generation and younger. They don't even know what this car is, honestly. But man, get back to my old, Back to the Future car and shit. You feel me? Love it. Just had to take them on a little spin and stuff real quick around the block. Had a little fun, you know. A little sneak peek of what it can do. So next video, maybe we get a first, second, third, a no lift shift. I don't even know if these cars can do the no lift shift, but you know, can't complain. Beautiful. What's going on, guys? It's Tim. You know, we're going for a little ride up to the Wawa up here. And yeah, man, I'm just, you know, taking a little cruise. I haven't even had a car in so long, honestly. Like, I forgot what it feel like to even have a car. For real, I forgot I could just hop in the wheel and just start driving and really just start listening to music for real, because you know that's therapeutic for a ninja like me, you heard? So yeah, I'm just on my way. Downshift, come to red light. But yeah, I'm just on my way to the Wawa. Man, we gotta fix that tent. Not alright. Just wanted to. It's a little cold, that's why I had the windows up. But I know y'all want to hear the car, or nah? Should I roll them up? Maybe we can see how it sounds with the windows rolled up. Got a check engine light on. Don't worry about that. Most likely if it's dumb. Drives pretty good. Haven't let me down yet. Yeah, man. So I'm on my way up to the Wawa. To get under that Wawa lighting. Y'all know ain't nothing like that Wawa lighting. And we really can see how it looks under the light, and I can really give y'all a walk around in the car and stuff. But yeah, man. Hard part is gonna be that this thing is stick shift, right? But remember, I told y'all the sunroof, I gotta fix it, so I can't let it just fly up as I'm driving. So that's gonna be the real task of the day. Try and vlog with only one hand. Yeah, man. Got the pony right there. Up sport. I'm scared with the sunroof, man. Hold on, let me check back in with y'all once we get over there.
They was counting me out. I put passion in every lyric.
Pulling up here to the Wawa now, guys. Damn. Gotta get that fixed ASAP. Yeah, man. I love it. I love it. I just hate this headliner. Like, I'm over here. Every little bump, my head rubbing against this little fabric. I gotta drop the whole headliner, tuck it back up. You know, get it all nice and fitted. And I hate how little these mirrors is. Them joints so little, they look like they upside down. Can't see shit through them joints. Could barely even park. Oh, and forget about the parking. The turn radius on this. Yeah, I was trying to bust a whole U earlier. I'm like, yeah, I'm just gonna chalk it up. I'm about to just spin a block. I'm gonna go right around the block. But yeah, man. Speakers is in here. Trash. Alright, guys, so we just got here. Let's get a little. What y'all think? I don't know, I feel like we need some LEDs up in the front, or leave it the yellowish bulb. Like, the paint has a lot of flaws, but it's still shine. It's about a good 10 footer. Got the little rumble. We gotta get the inside of it all cleaned up. I said, it's been just parked up. It's even stuff from the body shop from like 2-3 years ago still in here. Got oil back there, filters. Yeah, man, we're gonna get this a deep clean. Get a full little makeover. Look at that. We got some work to do. If a 91, can't beat it. And I'm glad too. I ain't gonna lie, I thought I was gonna have to get inspections and figure out how I was gonna get inspections from the check engine light, but yes sir, got some already. With the cracked windshield, yes sir, one headache less. We gotta get some new wheels. But that's the main thing I'm dreading right now is the tires. It just looks so ashy, so it makes the car look less, you know, I'm not saying it's fresh as ever, but you know, the ashiness to the wheels just give off the I don't get taken care of. But yeah, man, ashy boys, 5.0 boys. Yeah. Interior. Got a Hearst shifter. And believe it or not, the seats is pretty comfortable. I feel like the seats back then was way more comfortable. Like, no cap, this joint like a sofa. All this cushion. Yeah, guys. So yeah, just leave a comment down below what you think we should do. What's the first mod you think we should do? Is new wheels? Should we polish up the wheels? New tires? Tint? I don't know, man. Y'all let me know. You know, as always, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. And yeah, make sure the post notification bell is on so y'all don't miss any of the content that we have coming soon with the Foxbody. I'm gonna wrap it up here and you can comment down below. I'm out.
Run up on me, then you catching it all. I get my nigga a pack and he go to the trap and he serving it all. I got an X on my back, I can't get attached. Last time it left me scarred. I fell in love with the racks, now she want me.